different and amazing designs. Thank you for coming here. We will try to bring for you that amazing and unique designs like pistachio shell and seashell. So, seeds of beans, lentil, rice, corn, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds can all be used in creative projects. Artists arrange seeds to create portraits, landscape, abstract art, and decorative patterns. First, sketch your designs on paper or cardboard. Then carefully glue different seeds based on their size, shape, and colors. For example, rice for fine detailing, beans for bold patterns, lentil for filling spaces, sunflower seeds for texture. These arts require patience, but the final result looks incredibly unique and natural. These crafts are not just fun, they also teach creativity, recycling, and patience. They are great for school projects, home decoration, and handmade gifts. Plus, turning waste into art helps reduce unnecessary trash. Which art style did you like the most? Seashell art, pistachio shell art, or seeds art? Let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next many videos. Very crafty, beautiful ideas. If you have ever visited a beach, you have probably collected seashells as souvenirs. Instead of keeping them hidden in a drawer, why not turn them into art? Photo frames. You can use seashells to create photo frames, mirror borders, wall hanging. And also you can make very beautiful X-Mix tree, as is shown you in this video, candle holders, jewelry pieces, decorative flowers, and you can visit our channel. We have shown very beautiful X-Mix tree. So you can find in our channel. Start by cleaning the seashell properly, wash them with water and let them dry completely. Next, arrange them on cardboard, wood or canvas. Try different patterns before gluing them permanently. For example, small shells can form flowers petal, while larger shells can become the center design. You can paint them in bright colors or keep their natural look for a beach-inspired aesthetics. Seashells art brings a peaceful ocean vibe into your home. Now let's talk about pistachio shell art, one of the most surprising DIY trends. After eating pistachios, they have many benefits. Most people throw away the shells, but these tiny shells can become a stunning artwork. First, wash the shells to remove salt and dirt. Let them dry. One of the most popular pistachio shell craft is making flour. Take cardboard or wooden base, start gluing and shells in a circular pattern. Layer them carefully until they resemble a rose or flower. You can paint them red for roses, yellow for sunflower, or any color you like. People also use pistachio shells for wall decorations, jewelry boxes, greeting cards, candle decorations, mini sculpture. It's amazing how waste materials can turn into something beautiful. Seeds of bean, lentil, rice, corn, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds can all be used in creative